And how you process and interpret those thoughts, feelings, and information through all of your senses can be influenced both internally and externally. That covers genetics, body chemistry, blood flow, nutrition, environment, experience, information, your relationships, the amount of sleep you get, the quality of sleep as well, access to resources, access to healthful influence, and then abilities. So what are your abilities that influence the outcomes as well and your behaviors? So the big question is, how do we empower ourselves to influence our own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors? And how do we remain aware of everything that's influencing us as well? We'll try to cover the basics of brain health and how it relates to mental fitness, so that you have the basic knowledge and tools to support your own brain health and mental fitness, as well as influence others, because you can be a powerful influence just as much as others can be a powerful influence for you. Fitness being a progression, I developed the 40 Fit levels of mental fitness that really mirrors a physical fitness model that really is all about neurology and physiology. So part of making mental fitness accessible is to provide an understandable framework. Again, because the brain can be so complex and hard to understand, and there's so many moving parts and pieces, as well as with the body. So when it comes to fitness, it helps to break it down into kind of building blocks or fundamentals, and to reinforce the fact that we don't start at the top. We don't start with strength and endurance. We start with balance and flexibility, and really strengthening those neurological networks and connections, and making sure that our neurology, our body, our brain is healthy and prepared to do the work that we're demanding of it. Also emphasizing the importance of rest and recovery. You might be surprised that you are already practicing mental fitness just by joining this session today. For balance, it's really an important practice to find healthful support and connections, which you're doing by being here today. For flexibility, an important exercise is trying or learning something new, which hopefully you'll be learning something new in this presentation too, challenging new thought patterns, challenging your ways of thinking, adding to your knowledge and wisdom. That is all helping your brain. For rest and recovery, if you're drinking water right now, or if you drank some water this morning, if you had a healthy breakfast, if you got a good night's sleep, those are mental practices just the same. And one of the more important practices for strength and endurance is to identify, ultimately up here at the strength and endurance level, is to identify and maintain your motivation. So what is influencing your motivation and how do you maintain it? Those are really kind of the focus areas of mental fitness. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the 40 Fit video you just watched, and look for more. In the meantime, exercise your mind.